Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. If WhatsApp is not playing any sound or audio when you load a status, this video will show you how to fix that. First, you can try offloading WhatsApp from your iPhone and then reinstalling it. Don't worry, this won't remove any of your WhatsApp chats or media. Open the Settings app. Scroll down to tap on General. Now select iPhone storage from this menu. Select WhatsApp from the list. Choose Offload App option. Select Offload App again to confirm. Once the WhatsApp is offloaded, tap Reinstall App to install it back. If WhatsApp status sound is still not working, head to the App Store. Search for WhatsApp. If a newer version of the app is available, tap Update button to install it. After that, return to WhatsApp again and try to load a status. If nothing else works, flip the mute switch on the side of your iPhone to enable silent mode. If that doesn't work, try disabling silent mode by flipping the switch. Then, try to load WhatsApp status again and check if the sound works. Let me know in the comments if this helped and subscribe to Glitch Guru for more such tips.